The 10 best faceless video channel ideas for YouTube. There are some huge channels that exist where YouTubers haven't shown their faces. And this video with 10 ideas for faceless YouTube channels and videos is bound to inspire you too. Most of our ideas come with examples to help you get started. This video is part of a platform comparison test, and so has 3 parts with 10 ideas each. Welcome to Videos Ideas, your best source of ideas, how-tos, and more. Subscribe to YouTube Ideas for inspiration, tips, ideas just for your niche, and similar interesting topics. Drop a comment and share your questions or thoughts as well. We feature our favorites. 1. Doodles. PicCandle doesn't do much besides doodling, but they have made an entire channel out of their unique doodles and art. Not everyone's good at drawing, but what most people can do on a screen or tablet is doodle. They can let their hands roam across the space and note down whatever they are thinking about. Not only will you be talking about your thoughts and ideas through your voice, but you will also be giving a visual hook using the doodles. Try to stick to a theme or something topical to ensure the views pour in. 2. Kinetic typography. Kinetic typography, where words you type show up on the screen in unique and creative ways, is one effect that you can explore for faceless videos. Using software such as Adobe After Effects, there are all kinds of things you can do with the words you type, from cool animations to incredible effects. It is far more engaging than doodles, while also adding a whole new dimension to your words. 3. Commentary or dubbing. Ever watched those comedic dubs by Ozzy Man or his contemporaries? If so, you have a strong idea of what dubbing means and how enjoyable it can be. Sometimes, changing the audio of a video can change its whole meaning. You can explore that and more with overdubbing, using your own voice or various sound effects available for free on the internet. While you might be on the line between legal modification and copyright, if you can change the original fairly enough, you can easily upload your version of events for everyone to see. It's a bit tricky as a faceless video idea, but it is ultimately rewarding nonetheless. 4. Online product review. Beyond just tutorials, comparing multiple tools or products' actual use cases are a great way to attract an audience and advertisers. Whether you've done a few online courses or have used different tools to achieve the same purpose, use screen recording software and your voice to make your point come across. 5. Inspiration or quotes channel. There are always people looking for inspiration or enjoying quotes online. For instance, you can look at a channel like Evan Carmichael, which posts videos about the top success tips from different famous people. Some of those videos get millions of views, and a lot of times, the video creator isn't there in the videos. 6. ASMR. An incredibly popular growing category that is yet to be termed as science. ASMR requires no previous expertise and training, and can prove to be very lucrative too. While many channels have close-ups of people's faces, ASMR can be triggered by sand art, objects being stroked or touched and played with, and lots more. The more creative you are, the better. 7. Subreddit videos or TikTok compilations. From tweets on Instagram to Reddit chats on YouTube, and now TikTok compilations too. Find a popular platform and hot or trending topics within it, compile a bunch together with or without your commentary, and see your view counts climb beyond belief. There are many channels with millions of followers and views, and the best part, these videos are ridiculously easy to create. 8. Reaction videos. While most creators in this niche feature themselves, sound effects and honest reactions are sure to cut some ice. Let us know your experience and thoughts in the comments below. 9. Slideshows. There's nothing you can't put down on a few slides. Whether explaining a concept, sharing a point of view, or simply throwing facts together, try the numerous free templates available now and express yourself. 10. Taboo Topics. Marijuana. Now legalized in many states, marijuana and marijuana-related businesses made a killing this past year, on YouTube as well. There are a few creators who focus on sourcing, technique, benefits, and more. A largely undersaturated niche. We're excited to see your ideas. This video was part of our platform test comparing digital video editing software. Click through to the next list of 10 for more inspiration on faceless channels. You have great ideas, and we're here to show you how to make the most of them. Subscribe to Videos Ideas for inspiration, tips, ideas just for your niche, and more. Drop a comment and share your questions or thoughts as well. We feature our favorites.